Which application have you found, not just for yourself, but like for the engineers that you've worked with, whether it's front end or just people in general, which app do they usually prefer using to build their wireframes?
Yeah, because it's important to differentiate wireframes and prototypes. You can use the same software for both wireframes and prototypes, but you don't necessarily have to. So when our designers create wireframes, they prefer using Figma. That is their design tool. It's the most advanced tool. That's the same thing that they use, where they actually end up building the finalized prototype. But for me or for an engineer, we don't know how Figma works. We're not designers, so we don't use such advanced tools. I prefer what is called Miro. We talked about it before, Miro. So Miro has a prototyping feature. Like with one click, you can put a button here. You can put a screen frame, like a phone frame. They have some preset blocks, like building blocks, that you can just drag and drop and then build your prototype with. I prefer using that, but I've also seen, I've seen PowerPoint. One is called Excalidraw. It's usually used for technical flowcharts, but our engineers also use it for wireframes sometimes. In the end, it's anything that allows you to draw boxes and text and stuff. It's not rocket science.